Hello, YouTube stacking community. The Stacking Nerd here today on Monday, the 25th of June, 2018, with some gold and silver deals. Happy Monday! The first item I have to show you is from SD Bullion. This is a $5 face value bag of 90% mercury dimes. It is on sale for 59 cents per ounce over spot. Next is from JM Bullion on eBay. This is a 1 Ducat Austrian gold coin on sale for $7.99 over spot. Next is also from JM Bullion on eBay. This is a 20 francs gold coin on sale for $10.99 over spot. Next is from Bullion Exchanges on eBay. This is a $100 face value bag of 90% silver Washington quarters on sale for 89 cents per ounce over spot. Next is also from Bullion Exchanges on eBay. This is a lot of 10 1-gram IGR gold bars on sale for $6.88 per bar over spot. Next is from Bay Precious Metals. This is a Great Britain gold sovereign coin. They do not say what years they are, but they are on sale for $6.88 over spot. Next is from AntMex on eBay. This is a 1-ounce gold Credit Suisse bar on sale for $3.99 over spot. Next is from AntMex's website. They're having an astronomical savings event. Various items are included. I'll just scroll through. If you're interested, just hop on over and check it out. And the last item I have for you is from JM Bullion. This is a 1-ounce Silvertown Morgan Design stackable round on sale for 49 cents over spot. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. I will talk to you later.